How to fix iPhone touchscreen not working issue? Well, to fix an unresponsive iPhone screen, you want to start by restarting your iPhone. Simply proceed to restart your iPhone. If you are unable to do so by touching your screen itself, you can force restarting by tapping or pressing quickly your volume up and volume down button and then holding your side button, right, until the Apple logo appears. You'll have to do that. If you're using iPhone 7, you can hold the volume down and the side button simultaneously. If you are using iPhone 6 or earlier, hold home and power buttons simultaneously. Similarly, make sure to clean the screen with a microfiber cloth and remove any screen protectors if you are using one. It can be the screen protector issue as well. If you just recently inserted a screen protector on your screen, then you want to remove that. That can be causing the issue. Also, disconnect any lightning or USB-C cable accessories. So sometimes if you add in any charging point, such as if you add in your charger or if you add in any Type-C cables and such, then you will have unresponsive screen. I faced that issue as well. So simply disconnect it and try to get a new one, and you want to replace your USB cable if it is a charger or a cable. Also, connect the iPhone to a computer and try updating or restoring it via iTunes or Finder as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.